Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. I hope you are fine and staying safe and healthy at your home. Today we are going to start the proper lesson about English language and its composition, and we will also try to attain some tips and some principles that we will follow to improve our English language as well. So let us come to the today's topic. Today's topic is English language and its composition. A lot of people used to talk about English language is a very tough thing. English spoken, particularly English writing, is a very problematical thing, very difficult thing. But actually, when one comes to know the actual book of rules and regulation about the composition of English language and its writing rules, then he or she can get much able to write or to speak English better. So what are the concluded rules and regulation in English language for speaking and writing? We can say tenses. And tenses are not that kind of complete book or a technology to understand. Tenses are actually the specified area of understanding the things in English language we want to say, and comparatively the things we have translation of that thing in our native language and medium of thoughts. In our medium of thoughts, it might be Punjabi, Pashto, Urdu, any one has a medium of thinking. Always one keeps on thinking, and there is a medium of thinking. One thinks in Urdu, one thinks in his native language, Punjabi, Pashto, Saraiki, Sindhi, or one thinks in English. There is a continuous process of thinking in the mind and in the brain of a person, and there is a medium I have told you. So whenever we want to say, a person wants to say anything, tenses mean to capture the sense to say. For example, today we are going to start present indefinite tense, which deals the sentences of the routine made by या performed by a subject. हम कोई भी काम करते हैं, किसी को नोट करते हैं कि वो ये काम करता है, करती है, करते हैं, तो ऐसा सेंस टू से जो कि उर्दू में सेंटेंस को ऐसी एंडिंग दे रहा हो जिसमें ता हूँ, ते हैं, ते हो, ता है, ती है, ऐसा सेंस टू से मुकम्मल करता हो एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस को, इट इज़ द इंडिकेशन फॉर the existence of present indefinite tense. If the sense to say, one wants to say certain things which is ended in ta hu, te ho, te hain, ta hai, ti hai. मैं खाना खाता हूँ, मेरे फादर ऑफिस जाते हैं, मदर घर का काम करती है, पाकिस्तान के लोग मेहनत करते हैं. तो ये ते हैं, ता है, ती है का जो सेंस टू से है, इट इज़ द एक्चुअल मार्क, ये असल निशानी है प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस की. व्हेन वी आर ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर इंक्लूडेड फॉर present indefinite tense. Now come to the composition of present indefinite tense. Here I have written and I have classified two things. There is one most important thing in present indefinite tense to understand. That is that there is first form of verb is only used. There is no is, am, are, and there is no ing with the first form of verb. Only first form of verb becomes the part of the sentence after the subject. Let us see the formation, how present indefinite tense is formed. See, at the first step we write subject, Subject mean name of the person, name of the bird, or name of the animal, or name of the performer. That is the subject. It can be also pronoun: I, they, you, we, he, she, it, right? Or name of the person, or the crowd, people, right? Hina, Sabah, Ali, Meher. These all are subjects. Now the important thing come here, that verbs, first form of verb is placed to tell, to show that what action is actually made by the subject, and then the object, किस जगह पर, किस चीज पर, कहाँ ये काम होता है, that is object. Now the important condition I have classified here, that जो verb की first form है, with that you have to include s or es. Where there is ta है, ti है, either it is with he or she or name of a singularity, there we will place s or es with first form of verb. As I have given an example right here, that I is the subject, like mangoes. I, they, you, we, like mango, first form of verb simply. But when we will write it about a singular person, he, she, or my sister, or my brother, my friend, right? Then we will place s or es with that first form of verb, and then we will place the object or the place or the time where the action is performed. अब हम, let us translate, let us read these examples with sense to say, so that we can be clarified that there is no ismr, there is no ing. Only in present indefinite we have to place the subject or the pronoun, then हमने उसका एक्शन बताना है फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के जरिए. अगर वो सिंगुलर है पर्सन, सब्जेक्ट अगर सिंगुलर है, ही, शी, इट, या सिंगुलर नेम है, अली है, कोई भी नाम बीच में आता है, तो फॉर दैट एस और ई एस इज इंक्लूडेड विद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड देयर. लेट अस सी. आई लाइक मैंगोज, मैं मैंगो पसंद करता हूँ. ही लाइक्स मैंगोज, वो आम पसंद करता है. यू वर्क वेरी हार्ड, यू वर्क, सिंपली फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ड, यू वर्क वेरी हार्ड. बट जहां कंडीशन आती है, शी कुक्स, वैसे तो था वो खाना पकाती है, वो अच्छा खाना पकाती है, शी कुक फूड. बट द टर्म एंड कंडीशन ऑफ ही, शी या सिंगुलर नेम, इस टर्म एंड कंडीशन ने फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ एस ई एस दे दिया है. सो शी कुक्स डिलीशियस फूड. पीपल लव टू बाय एक्सपेंसिव थिंग, लोग महंगी चीजें खरीदना पसंद करते हैं. Try to understand the sense to say must, that what do you want to say, and it belongs to this tense, is exactly the understanding of sense to say with tenses. So people love to buy, पसंद करते हैं. रजा always speaks, सिंगुलर है रजा, उसकी जगह अगर हमने ही भी लगाया होता तो ही ऑलवेज स्पीक्स ट्रुथ. अगर हम अपने दोस्त के बारे में बता रहे हैं तो वी आर गोइंग टू एडमायर हिम, वी आर गोइंग टू टेल अ पॉजिटिव पॉइंट अबाउट हिम. ही स्पीक्स ट्रुथ, रजा स्पीक्स ट्रुथ, रजा हमेशा सच बोलता है. सो दिस इज द फॉर्मेशन, वेरी सिंपल फॉर्मेशन, दैट वी हैव टू प्लेस सब्जेक्ट और द प्रोनाउन, then we have to place just first form of the verb. If the subject is singular, then we have to place s or es with first form of the verb. I like mango, he likes mango. This is the example for this term and condition in present indefinite tense. Term and condition for he, she and singular name which contains s or es with its first form of verb. Here we have completed the formation and the first hand understanding of the tense. Now we are going to practice little sentences. That what kind of sentences we can speak using the present indefinite tense. Generally we see these are the sentences we have written, but if we are writing about our father, his routine, his habits, his liking and his nature, so exactly first form of verb with s or es will be used and present indefinite tense will be used. For example, we are going to say that हमारे अब्बू वक्त पर दफ्तर जाते हैं. My father goes to his office in time. Mother घर की मुकम्मल सफाई करती है. Mother cleans the entire home every day. Then if we are talking about our friend, हमारा दोस्त या मेरा दोस्त, या for example I am taking the name मोइन बड़ों की इज्जत करता है. मोइन respects his elders. मगर यहाँ पर मैं अगर I, they, you, we या प्लूरल कैटेगरी की बात करता हूँ तो फिर आ जाएगा जैसे ये है people love, लोग पसंद करते हैं. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, people love to buy expensive thing. People visit Murray in summer. It rains in early winters. सर्दियों के शुरू में बारिश होती है. हमारे कॉलेज में हर कोई मेहनत करता है. लुक, प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट सबको कलेक्टिवली लेकर आ रहा है और सबका एक कलेक्टिव एक्शन एक ही मेजरमेंट में रख रहा है. एवरीबडी इन आवर कॉलेज वर्क्स हार्ड. अब दूसरी तरफ आ जाएं तो प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्लेन आवर टोटल रूटीन ऑफ द डे. We simply have to place I or we, and we need to place the verb we perform in our day. For example, I am going to tell you my routine. I wake up early in the morning. I take bath and offer my prayer. Then I recite Holy Quran. Then I take my breakfast and join my family. So these are the things what you can write. If you are writing things about your evening, I spend my evening with my friends. I play game in the ground. I watch TV at evening. I go for exercise in the ground at evening. People visit places or people walk for the betterment of their health in the morning or in the evening. So these are the sentences which are explained. And secondly, when we are going to explain or elaborate a read story, फिर उस टाइम भी हम प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट टेंस को यूज करते हुए उस स्टोरी को री एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. As we have read the story of Thirsty Crow, but if I explain you right there that crow flies here and there, he tries to search water. Finally, he finds water in a garden. He lands down in the garden and looks. देखता है the water is very down in the beaker. He hits upon an idea he throws some some pieces of stones in the beaker. Water comes up, पानी ऊपर आ जाता है. Crow drinks the water, कौवा पानी पीता है, and flies away, और उड़ जाता है. So that is how when we are explaining the red stories, we can also use present indefinite tense while speaking a story, while speaking or telling a story or occasion or any happening you have seen. The accident you have seen, you can write it within the use of present indefinite tense. Now we are going to see the negative tense, जब हम वो काम नहीं करते हैं, like sense to say उस तरफ चला जाता है, तो what formation of words is used there to make negative sentences of present indefinite tense? Negative of present indefinite tense. What rules we are going to use here? We are going to use do not for plural subjects, and we are going to use does not for singular subject. Understand it in another way. You can understand it in another way. Do not will be used for the subject which do not receive s or es with their first form of verb, and does not will be received in those sentences where the subject is singular and it receives s or es with its first form of verb. Now we will come to the example. Here I have written I like mangoes. I is from the category which does not receive the s or es. I do not like mangoes. मैं mangoes पसंद नहीं करता. मगर जहां पर he likes mangoes है, he के साथ likes है, वो s do को मिल जाएगा और does हो जाएगा. He does not like mangoes. अब like के साथ s नहीं लगेगा because वो s हमने do को दे दिया है. He does not like mangoes. Similarly, you work very hard. They do not offer the prayer. She does not bake the cake. Now you can see there is she. She is a singular pronoun, and for singular pronoun I have placed es here. She does not bake the cake. वो केक नहीं पकाती है. Birds do not. Birds s लगा हुआ है, प्लूरल है, तो देख लें do है. Birds do not fly at night. हिना है, हिना सिंगुलर है. हिना does not waste her time. हिना अपना वक्त ज़ाया नहीं करती है. So this is the key point, as this was the key point of the present indefinite tense, that s and es is placed with singular he, she and singular name. Similarly, it is the key point of negative tenses of present indefinite that we place does not with he, she and singular names, and we place do not with I, do, you, we, they and plurals. That is how we are going to practice that what we do, what we perform, what we feel, what we like. And similarly, we are going to write down and we are going to explain the negative of present indefinite tense which explains the actions in negative composition of present indefinite. We will write some more examples here so that we can understand it in better way. We are going to write 3 or 4 more examples right here. So here are some more examples we are going to follow to mature our understanding about present indefinite tense and its negative sentences. He plays cricket. He plays. I have placed S here. मैंने यहाँ वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ S लगाया है क्योंकि he, she, it सिंगुलर के साथ हमने S E S को यूज करना है. तो वही S do को दे दिया does हो गए. He does not play cricket. I perform, यहाँ फर्स्ट फॉर्म है सिंगल. I perform my duty. I के साथ हम मोस्टली हम कहते हैं I don't know, I don't want to go, I don't like this. तो वो don't क्या है? Do not. I do not perform my duty. Some people want to learn English language. कुछ लोग चाहते हैं learn, ठीक है, कुछ लोग English language सीखना चाहते हैं. Some people do not want to learn English language. कुछ लोग English language नहीं सीखना चाहते हैं. तो some people plural है, यहाँ पर मैंने S नहीं लगाया. तो some people do not want, do के साथ भी मैंने S नहीं लगाया. So keep this strategy, keep this scheme of words in your mind while practicing. First, you will write 5 or 10 sentences with this scheme. You will produce 10 present indefinite tenses by yourself, and then you will practice to make their negative tenses using do not and does not according to the rule of negative present and present indefinite tense. So I hope that you have found this first lecture for improving your English writing and English spoken from the English language and its composition, and it is the very first step. We will keep on bringing better things, better tips to understand the English language, how to improve English language as well and English spoken, and what accordingly the easier advices and instructions can be followed to at least get onto an advanced average of English language. So I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. I am sure that you will practice first this scheme to make present indefinite tense and then this scheme to make negative of present indefinite tense. Further in the next lecture we will practice the interrogative. सवालिया जो होंगे, क्या आपको ये चीज़ पसंद है, क्या लोग उधर जाते हैं. तो इस तरह के टू से में जो इंट्रोगेटिव ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट होगा हम उसको डिस्कस करने के बाद सेकंड फेज ऑफ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट में जाएंगे, जो इसका ये एक्टिव वॉइस स्टाइल है, और हम पैसिव वॉइस स्टाइल भी यहीं पे ही डिस्कस करेंगे कि एक्टिव वॉइस में इस तरह से अगर प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट है तो हाउ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनेट इज framed in passive voice style of English language and its composition. So I hope you have enjoyed, you have learned a little bit, and you have found, if you have found this lesson constructive and productive for you, and you think that these lectures are going to benefit you and these are interesting and delightful lectures, I hope that you will subscribe the channel I am starting, and you will by subscribing the channel you will keep on receiving the information about the lectures I have uploaded and I have given for the students. So this is we should also be thankful to the administration of the college who has which has facilitated us with at least this frame of study in such a difficult situation of Corona COVID, and it has facilitated us, it has provided us tools and a very proper way to continue the teaching and learning process without any damage. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and you have enjoyed the time with me, and must subscribe, must like and dislike my video when you will see it, so that I can also judge myself that is it a good lecture or bad lecture. everyone has always a room of improvement. I also feel a room of improvement in me, और वो आपने मुझे बताना है. If you will like, I will be satisfied. If you will dislike the video, I will try to improve and will perform better, and so that you can learn better things from me. I hope you are having a safe time, and I pray that you and your family have good health, safe time. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.